Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one is a little birthday chick. I love this. So Hey Birthday Chick has been in the spring catalogue. It launched with the spring catalogue, and then last month we launched the matching dies to go with it, and you can get it as a bundle, and also Hey Chick as a bundle. Mine have not long arrived, so this is why I'm only just bringing out a project to you. But it's a card, and I don't do cards on video very often. But every time I do, somebody says, oh, I love it, I wish you'd do more cards. I have cards on my blog, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. So 4 days a week on my blog there are cards, and then 3 days a week there are videos, usually 3D projects. But I'm going to make this one. Okay, I'm not going to give you specific measurements because I work in international A4, and you folk in America who are watching, you work in a different cardstock size. So simply take a piece of cardstock, full-size sheet of cardstock, cut it in half. Doesn't matter which direction, cut it in half and fold it in half. Then you need to cut a piece of basic white that, if you work in metric, 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower. If you work in imperial, 1/4 of an inch, maybe even 1/8 of an inch shorter and narrower. And that's how you're going to get this perfect border. This is what I'm going to stamp on. So I'm going to pull out my little chick again. It's so cute. I love that. Oh. Do you know what? I might do a different one. Or shall I? You know what? Totally different. I'm just going to check which dies I've got. Yes, I do have the dies for this one. So what I'm going to do on my piece of scrap, first of all, grab a big block. I'm going to get my Memento ink. And stamp on there. And actually, you know what? I might die cut it. Let's do the die cutting first, so I want that to fully dry. Right. I'm not sure if you can see, but my happy birthday is elevated. Can you see the foam on the side there? So it's elevated, and that's on our, I think it's just called 3D foam. I don't remember. That's rubbish, isn't it? I can't remember what it's called. We've got so many thousands of products, I can't possibly be expected to remember everything. So I want to trim a little, so that's about the right size. Okay, and I'm gonna, let's just cut it off first. Would it be better that side? Yes, there we go. Cut that bit off. Peel off the backing and put your cardstock over and cut off any excess. And stick it all over your scissors, and then shout for your husband to come and clean your scissors, which I now have to do. Right, so let me get my little mini machine. All my clear plates and everything. So I want the bottom plate, and which do I want after that one? I think I just want a clear plate over the top. I wouldn't, no, that's too thin. I do need that plate. Plates top and bottom. Oh, and the doorbell's going to go now, isn't it? And send that through. And I'm just going to go backwards and forwards a couple of times. Oh, there's a great big white van. I hope somebody answers the door. And yes, I can see that that has cut through. I don't know if you can, but that has cut all the way through. So I'm going to pop that there. Oh no, wrong one. White plate, clear plate, and my chick there. Is that a chick? No, I don't know if it's a chick or not. It's a birdie type thing. And oh, there's my post-it notes. Run that through. And that has cut out. Brilliant. So I can leave that to dry. I'm going to pop those over there. Right, let me bring back my bits of card. So that's the bit I cut and stamped. Sorry, cut and folded. And I've got my funny little birthday chick. And I'm just going to randomly have him dancing and just having a jolly good time all over my piece of cardstock. There we go. So I can move all of those out of the way. Now, I pulled in oranges because I thought, well, this is the chick I used before and I'm going to use this one, but actually now I'm using this one. I don't know if my oranges are going to be the right one, so we'll have a go. Might want a little paler than that. So those are the excuse me, Cajun Craze, and this one is a Calypso Coral. And it might be a bit too dark, but we'll find out shortly if it's too dark or not. Yeah, that was too dark. That's not a problem. We can blend. So this is the light Cajun Craze. That's okay. That's blending nicely. And you know what, we'll have a pale face. Have a yellow cupcake, because why not? What colour should we do the top of him? Should we give him yellow? He needs yellow feet. They can kind of go any colour because, you know, creativity. And why not? And what I might do, actually, I might add in some of the darker as well. Give him highlights or lowlights. You know, it works. Oh, I want this pale one, don't I? And then I need to put a little bit on the flame, a bit on his beak. And I completely forgot to zoom in. So let me slowly bring my hands up. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. Right, let me get everything on here. So I'm just going to come onto my card front. Put some dimensionals on the back of there. Oh, new packet. How exciting. Put that there, and then if you notice, I hadn't taken off the backing of this, so what I want to do is very carefully peel my word away, but that's okay. And you'll see we've still got bits in the middle, so if I push onto my finger, it usually pushes through. Oh, it's not going to today. Normally the bits in the middle that are not attached to anything stick to me. Today they don't want to. There's a bit on the P. And you can see the thickness. Oh, there we go. And that can just sit there. That, I think, is quite a cute birthday card. I think they're cute. Easy. I love it. And obviously, oh look, they've got bits stuck on there. Just poke them through. Any little sticky bits, just poke through. But I think that's a nice, quick, simple, easy card. Nice to do with children. Perfect birthday card. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.